In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to your tasks in Todoist. Whether you're a visual thinker or simply want to keep all elements of a task organized in one place, adding photos can enhance your productivity tools. Let's guide you through the process in just a few minutes. To start, ensure that you're logged into your Todoist account. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the task you want to enhance with an image. Take a moment to browse through your list of tasks. Select the one where you'd like to add an image, and this will bring up the task details on your screen. Now, direct your attention to the small paperclip icon within these task details. This paperclip icon is your gateway to attaching files or photos. It's a handy little tool that allows you to enrich your task descriptions with additional context or visual detail. Give it a click, and you'll see a prompt appear that lets you select a file from your computer. Take a moment to locate the photo you wish to upload. This could be anything from a visual that clarifies project requirements, a spark of inspiration you want to capture, or simply an image that gives more context to the task at hand. Once you've found your desired image, select it and hit Open. The photo will then be neatly attached to your task. But wait, there's also an alternative way if you're working with a photo that's stored online or a document that's part of your workflow. If you have a link to the image or file, you can simply copy that link and paste it right into the task's comment section. This method is particularly useful for larger files or when you're collaborating with others. By sharing a link, it eliminates the need for others to download the content directly, making it easier for everyone on the task to just click and view the file right then and there. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently add photos to your Todoist tasks, creating a richer and more informative task list. It's a small addition, but it can significantly help streamline your workflow. Now your tasks can have visual elements and enhanced context, keeping everything you need in one easily accessible place. I hope this guide helps bring a little more order to your digital life and enhances your capacity to manage tasks efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your productivity tools.